y'all, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are moving forward with episode 2 of the supercharger install. Today's agenda, we do receive our intercooler today from JBtuned, and basically we're gonna try to do the mounting of that, the mounting of the plating, so we're gonna start attaching the Rotrex itself. We got our intercooler, so that's cool. Now let's start making this thing do what it do. All right, so I got the front end basically stripped off. Now this is the problem I'm having with having the CSF full-size radiator. So essentially, with what's in that box is the JBtuned backdoor front mount intercooler, which will mount somewhere in the front right here. And then it's made for a Rotrex style, well, like a Kraftwerks Rotrex style K-swap supercharger kit. So basically, you just put like a 90-degree, I don't know, I think it's like a 90. I'm pretty sure it's a 90-degree elbow. So instead of having like something coming off the Rotrex itself, it'll be an elbow that feeds right into it. But I have this in the way. So the goal now is once I mount the intercooler, cut a hole here and have it basically come up 90 this way. Well, I don't know, I have to figure it out. But this has to be moved in order for me to start mounting up everything. So I have to raise up the car, remove all the coolant, and remove the radiator. Whoa, this is getting for real, bro. This is getting for real, dog. Oh man, oh man. All right, let's do it. And this is the space that I have to do everything. I don't know what the hell this stuff is right here. I don't know where this came from. That don't need to be there, so I can put my stuff, boxes, and I just have too much stuff and too small of space. So just know this is what I'm working with, bro. I'm living within my means, dog, and it's gonna get done, though. Better believe that. Better believe it's gonna get done. Alright, so let's unbox our brand new JBtuned Rotrex Precision 5 Intercooler. Yeah. Got some mounting hardware. Bro, look how massive this thing is. So we have, looks like this is a 2.5, and I believe this is a 3-inch. So I'm gonna run 3-inch piping from the cold side. This would be considered cold side, and this is hot side because the hot side goes right to the turbo. So for the cold side piping, I'm gonna run a 3-inch, probably a V-band off of my Hybrid Racing 70mm throttle body. And to this. So it's kind of safe to say the hardest part of this install might just be the fabrication of the cold side piping and probably hot side, because I have to figure out how I'm going to mount this in a way where it's I don't know, I'm gonna confuse y'all, but look at that Unit 2 open. Ooh, look at that right there, playboy. Yeah, look how big this thing is. Hold on, let me get this. Let me go ahead and take off all this foolishness. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look how big this thing is. Lava. So before we do anything with the intercooler, we're gonna go ahead and start mounting up everything we need to install the Rotrex. So maybe this episode I have the Rotrex installed, but all I know is this is about to get installed. So I gotta find my actual, there we go. So I'm gonna go through the race kit. All right, so I found the hardware. You got 4, these look like what, M10? Oh, these are M8s. These are M10. So you got 2 M10 bolts, 4 M8 bolts, and you have the plate, and then you have the pulley. So I have a 105mm pulley. Everything here is basically, it outlines what you need and everything like that. I have the hardware for that already. That's right here. And then the other piece that goes to this is somewhere in here. I saw it earlier, but I'll find it whenever I get to it. But this right here, baby, yeah. So now we just got to go to the part of showing you guys what to install, what goes what. I feel like this right here, this goes like that with the 2 bolts that I have, which would be those M10 bolts. Those 2 M10s would go right there, and then we start bracketing up everything else. So let's go ahead and get these 2 M10s bracketed up with this bracket right here, and that's the bracket right there, and yeah. And I'm just gonna go over those 2 with the hand ratchet, but that first part is secured. Next up, so the way this mounts up is by, you see, when you remove your AC compressor, if you have an AC compressor, you have these 2 bolts right here. Well, these 2 holes right here. These are M8 by 1.25, which all the hardware is supplied. So you will just attach that like so, with the 2 M8 by 1.25 bolts right there, and then like that. So we're gonna go ahead and start mounting this piece up, and then this piece attaches to the end of that, and then that's when we'll be able to attach the Rotrex and our pulley. So progress, baby, progress. These bolts right here, the 2 black Allen head washers, well, the 2 black Allen heads, these are the 2 bolts you're gonna use to mount your bracket to the 2 bolts I showed you previous. So this bracket mounts with these 2 Allen head bolts right in the location of this right here. So yeah, da-da-da-da. Sorry for the focus, bro. Well, it looks like we ran into our first problem. This bolt, I think the bracket is stripped on the water pump housing, because I did used to run a Kraftwerks power steering, no, AC tuck. PS AC delete kit, yeah, and I cracked the bolt, and I think that's what's holding me back. I'm gonna remove it and then try to tap it, and hopefully I'll get lucky, but if anything, I'll just run out and get a bigger bolt. So let's see what happens. We're halfway there, leaving on a prayer, can't fix. So I figured out the issue. I do have a broken bolt inside of my water pump housing, but I can't drill it out and then tap threads. Hopefully I can drill it out, tap threads, and it'll fix itself. I probably tap a bigger bolt in it. But the only problem I'm having right now is my drill is too big. See, bro, when you have a BBC like me, it's hard for you to fit places, or women. But I gotta go to Randy's house and get his uno poquito. My bad, Randy, bruh. Plan of action. Let's drive to Randy's house. See if his drill is smaller than this one. It should be, hopefully. But this DeWalt is the truth, dog. This is the truth. But hopefully he has a smaller drill, then I can drill that thing out, and we'll be good to go to continue this video, man. Okay, so got a new drill. This is much smaller than the one that I have. I got the drill at Randy's house. I can't talk to you properly because I got the keys in my mouth, but I did get a drill from Randy's house, and I also picked up my oh shit, my piece that I needed to tap. So hopefully this drill works. It should be small enough to do it, and well, let's just see. If not, then I have to wait until some other time to do this. And we are a little bit too goddamn. Damn, it's like barely. Damn. I gotta figure out how I can make this work. All right, so I've just been cutting my drill bits to get it to work, and well, it's working. So hopefully with this 1/4" drill bit, I'll be able to get the remainder of this broken bolt out. This has been Florida every single day. So annoying, dog. Turn off the goddamn weather machines. Shit, we got things to do. All right, hours have passed. Back in the garage. Me and Randy just doing some test fitting of the Intercooler. Just gonna figure out where we're gonna get it to mount. Probably make see if Keem might since the Mayhem Metalworks bar have 10mm threads, Keem might just make like a bracket that go from there to there, there to there, and then keep it mounted like this.
Probably have to shift it more over towards the driver's side, just so it be center.
It ain't center?
Nah, it's more to this side.
I think that's how it goes, bro.
How it goes?
Cause I know this right
you don't
here.
Look stupid in a bumper. That's it.
Facts. Oh no, I think I do got it. Yeah, nah, cause the turbo. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I think this is how it goes.
What you need to do is mock the turbo. We gotta bolt the turbo now.
Yeah, but I can't do that because, well, I gotta buy a new water pump.
Good thing Sean has one.
I hope, yeah. So tomorrow's agenda is to remove all this stuff and then put on a fresh new water pump housing because the bolt. That's why I don't like running those AC / power steering delete kits, dog. Run OEM because
Get the EP3.
Yeah, get the EP3 idler pulley and call it a day, bro.
Literally, that's all you need.
Yeah, bro. You ain't got to get that fancy stuff because once that bolt crack and you try to go supercharge and you try to drill out the hole, I mean, you could drill it out and tap and do all that fun jazz, but I mean, these water pump houses ain't that expensive, so.
And then if you drill and tap, you're gonna go bigger, so the bolt's gonna be bigger, and then you gotta.
Unless you get a helicoil properly.
Unless you do that.
Yeah.
That's a big ass intercooler.
That John massive, my G. Look at that John, bro. The only to make 312 horsepower.
eBay ass shit.
You sleep, bro. I'm about to dust y'all niggas, bro.
Alright, nigga. $200, you ain't.
Alright, bet up, bitch. Okay, so I went ahead and removed my water pump housing so I can tap it. I just texted the group chat. I'm like, bro, I couldn't resist. So, yep, water pump housing is off. Hopefully, the homie Sean has one laying around that I can pick up tomorrow so I can install the Rotrex. I'm not going to end this episode until we have the Rotrex installed. And then from there, we're going to worry about mocking up the intercooler and how we're going to do it. Luckily, I have a Mayhem Metalworks bar, so there's tabs underneath. You guys can't see it, but there's tabs, mounting tabs underneath the bar itself. So I'll be able to. So on the phone call with Keem, we're just going over like how many mounting tabs we have, and we figure out we're gonna like make some type of triangle-esque of a bracket to make it work. So, you know, I'm gonna try to keep this as detailed as possible, man. I'm gonna try my. Oh my! I also hurt myself pretty bad, bro. Look at that shit, dog. That shit look broken. Freaking man, God, dog. It's always something, bruh. It's always something. Good morning, rise and shine, putos. It's the next day, and I think I am fucked. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's no way that hole is being fixed. That's the hole that's supposed to look like. And that's what it is. So even with helicoiling it, I don't think this would work. I think this is elongated in a way where it will not work. So I have to get a new water pump housing. Yeah, and along with water pump housing, I'm gonna have to order a bunch of new gaskets. So hopefully Sean comes through with a new water pump. I'll order all the gaskets and stuff today. So it looks like episode 2 will just be, I guess, mock-up. But I ran into my first problem. I don't know what the title of this video. Whatever title that is on this video, I tried my best. I don't know, man. I tell you how it is. Try to install it, messed up. That's why you do not run none of those AC, PS, delete kits, bro. Get the EP3 idler pulley set up. The OEM is best, bro. Oh, when it comes to that, all this right here, just run OEM, bro. Because once you do that and you put a bolt in there, you do a pull and that bolt breaks off in there. Oh, we good. My boy Sean got one. So I'm gonna pick up a new housing, order all the gaskets, or maybe just full send on these gaskets. I'll probably just end up full sending, but then I don't want to be that guy that full sends on the wrong things, bro. But I don't know. Hopefully, I'll see what Sean's up to. Probably pick that up today. Hopefully, I can get this Rotrex in. We'll see. I'll give myself until about 3 o'clock because I want to get this video out to you guys in a timely manner. So we'll see what's up. Well, got some bad news, fam. I think I'm gonna have to end the video here, dog. Man, oh man. And well, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for episode 2 of the supercharged case swap build series. I'm sorry that I was not able to install the Rotrex, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like on the video. Shout out to Greg again over at JBtuned, and also we worked out the little thing where if you guys purchase a Kraftwerks kit or a B series or a K series turbo kit, if you write down Zosh in the comments on an order form, or I think in something like that, he will hook you up with some money off your total price of kit or some. I have a link down below in the description box so you guys can go check out JBtuned and pick up the best damn B series turbo kit on the market. So be sure to check them out. And yeah, hopefully Sean can get that boat out of the water pump housing that he has, and I can be able to come back home and film for episode 3 of me putting everything back together, mounting the Rotrex on, and then going from there within mounting the intercooler and all that stuff. Majig. I keep you guys posted. You guys stay posted. Follow me on Instagram in case you want to stay up to date with more things like the FA5, the INTEGRA, well, I don't know. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, leave a dislike on the video. All in all, bro, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.